This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. We got a really unique project here. We're doing down in Dallas. We're going to be retro wiring this space for a 5.2.4 front, left and right here at the front of the room. Two subs, one to the right, one to the left, 12-inch. Center speaker up here. You're probably thinking, how in the world are they going to wire this? Well, I'll show you. We're gonna be running the wiring down through this brick and out through the drywall here, down up underneath the floor. And we're gonna have a surround rear, left and right back here. And then all the equipment's gonna terminate down here in what's supposed to be the media room, but they're just using it as like a kid's playroom. We're gonna put in a rack down here. I'm gonna show you the crawl space. Crawl space here in the pantry. Not a ton of room at all, but you know, we're ninjas, so we'll make it happen. I'll upload the progression. All right, guys, reporting live from underneath this home. You got one of the most badass technicians here, Grayson, getting it done at all costs. This is the dream team. 8 o'clock at night, making your Dolby Atmos dreams come true. Yep. All right, guys, check it out. So we're gonna be running 2 Cat6, 2 HDMIs, 18 gigabits per second, 4x4x4, just in case one breaks off, as well as an optical and speaker line down through here into the floor, and then around and over to our termination point. All right, guys, check it out. We finally got this in. We got your rear surround left, rear surround right, front left, front sub, front left sub, front right sub, and then front right center speaker, or front right, and then center, and all of your cat cables. Voila, magic. Check it out, guys. We got this room wired. You got your front left terminations, as well as your front left high we're using for the Atmos on these Klipsch Dolby enabled speakers. We got a front left sub, center speaker, which Grayson just toned out, making sure all of our lines are good. We got our front right sub, ran all this underneath the floorboard. Then you got your front right and front right high, Dolby enabled speaker. This customer does have in ceilings, front left and right, and top metal left and right, but he's debating using them just because they're low quality. And then we got the 502 surrounds from Klipsch, bipoles, surround left and right. He's either gonna put these on stands or mount them to the wall. Still up for debate. Pretty cool little system down here in Dallas, and Grayson is back here in the AV room putting together the Denon AVR. We're going to enable it as a 5.1.2 for now, and then he's going to power up his 5.2.2 and power up his patio speakers for his party he's having this weekend. You can see we're labeling everything, making it user-friendly in case he needs to disconnect. And here's all of our wiring that we ran. The rest of the structured wiring is going to be for phase 2, which we're coming back for. We're going to put in a rack here, and then some Denon Hios amps for multi-room streaming throughout the home. If you guys would like to purchase or have us install the products, please give us a call or shoot us an email. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you for watching. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater.
Grayson.
And Grayson. Cheers.